The first requirement is add a drop down under state called location. Okay, so let's go to the survey page, click on yes. So now you can see that there's a location pick list has been added under the state. So you can see the value as well. These are the required values, so you can select any one of them and then you can start the survey. You can submit the survey. Now go to the user page and now look at this value has been changed. Okay, the next requirement is to convert the content and the reminder boxes into the rich text boxes. So let's go to the question page. Now we have converted this content and reminder into the rich text box. So now let's select any text, make it block, underline, etc., and then save it. Now the third one is like remove the text value associated with the type field. Let's go to the custom object where it is actually. Okay, go to this type field. So we have removed the text value. Okay, the next is currently compliance response is store all the answers to the questions in one notes field. So what we would like to store each response question by question. So what we did here is we have created new object, a question response object. It is nothing but the junction object between question and the compliance response. So it has these three custom fields. One is the question, which is foreign key to the question object. One is compliance response, which is foreign key to the compliance response object. And this answer field, actually it stores the value as no and yes. For example, in test survey, if you answer certain question as a yes, so it will store it as a yes. If you answer it as a no, it will store it as a no. So this is, so now let's go to the question page. So here we have added the related list to the this questions detail page. So now you can see that all the response to this question has been stored. Okay, the next is to add a cancel button to describe model window. Then to add a validation rule to describe model window. If user doesn't fill any comment and just click on submit, we should show the alert. Okay, and the third one is like currently if current describe model is triggered, the question is background is advanced to the next question. It should not. So let's go to the survey page again. Okay, here is our cancel button. If you cancel it, it will remain on the same page. Now let's again click on yes. Now if you don't fill any value and click on submit, it will show you the message. Okay, now if you fill out any value, then click on submit. It will advance this to the next. Okay, one more thing, again go to the describe model window. Okay, now look at this value. This value comes from the describe description field of question. Okay, so now here is our question. So here we have given the my value, and this title would be displayed on the that model window. Note that if you don't give here any value and just save it, then this model window doesn't have any title, it will be blank. So you need to give the value here, then only it will display here, otherwise it will leave it as blank. Okay, the next is when you, if there is a external URL, so if you click on yes and no, and if there is external URL associated with it, it will open in the same page. So instead of what we like to have it open into the new window. So let's go back again to the same survey. Let's click on this. Again start the survey. Now click on no, so it will open in the new tab. So you can, this page will remain as it is, so you can come back here and give your inputs. Okay, the next is create a site page which will take employee number as a parameter. Okay, now go to the setup, click on site, you can search here site, then click on this sites option. Okay, so I have created one site here, so I will explain how I have created. So you can click on new button, so which will present you this page. Give site label, site name, site contact. Here you can give the name of your choice. Click on check this active box and then save it. Now go to this URL redirects. Now what here you have to give to source URL and target URL. Source URL should be start with forward slash, so you can give this source URL, and the target URL anything. So this is the target URL which takes the employee number. Then click on activate it. That's it. Now once you do this, the default address will do like this. So now copy this default web address and go to new tab, paste it, click on enter. So now look at it, it is redirected to some URL. So this is for user Amit. So here employee ID is 1, click on yes. So it will present this employee details and you can start the survey. If you type some other employee number, it will present you some other employee survey. Click on the yes. Okay, that's it.